Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon Elasticsearch is updating its minimum supported TLS version to 1.2. This change aims to help customers meet their security, compliance, and regulatory requirements. As you know, Amazon Elasticsearch supports the Transport Layer Security Encryption Protocol, which secures data in transit over the network. With this update, customers can rest assured that all connections will be encrypted using TLS 1.2 or higher. You might be wondering why we're making this change. Well, TLS versions 1 and 1.1 are no longer recommended as a security best practice. We've historically supported them to maintain backward compatibility for customers with older or harder to update clients. However, with this update, Elasticsearch will continue to support TLS 1 and 1.1 until May 8, 2025. After that date, customers must ensure their client software is updated to use TLS 1.2 or higher. If you're unsure about the implications of this change, be sure to check out our documentation on Elasticsearch and in-transit encryption. Here's my attempt at writing a response that focuses purely on Amazon OpenSec Serverless, now available in Europe region. Amazon OpenSec Serverless is now available in the Europe region, making it even easier to run search and analytics workloads without worrying about infrastructure management. This means you can focus on building and scaling your applications, rather than worrying about the underlying compute capacity. To use Amazon OpenSec Serverless, simply head over to the AWS Management Console, navigate to the Amazon OpenSec Service dashboard, and follow the prompts to set up your serverless deployment. As with all Amazon OpenSec Service regions, you can enjoy the benefits of a managed service, including automatic software updates and support. Now that Amazon OpenSec Serverless is available you can take advantage of its unique benefits, such as measured compute capacity used for data ingestion, search, and query. This means you only pay for what you use, without the need to provision or manage servers. Amazon Connect has launched AWS CloudTrail support for flow management pages. With this new feature, you can now see a record of all activities related to your flows whenever someone adds, updates, or deletes a flow from a flow management page. It'll show up in the AWS CloudTrail logs. This means you'll be able to answer questions like who last updated this flow, or when was this flow last saved, with ease. This feature is available in all AWS regions where Amazon Connect is offered, so you can rest assured that your flows are being tracked and monitored no matter where you are in the world. To learn more about Connect flows and AWS, check out the Amazon Connect Administrator Guide and Amazon Connect API reference. And if you're interested in learning more about AWS CloudTrail support, head on over to the AWS CloudTrail documentation. Amazon SageMaker now integrates with Amazon DataZone to help unify governance across data and ML assets. This means that machine learning administrators can set up infrastructure controls and permissions for ML projects in Amazon DataZone, making it easier for project members to collaborate on business use cases and share assets with one another. With this integration, data scientists and ML engineers can create a SageMaker environment and kickstart their development process inside SageMaker Studio. They can also search, discover, and subscribe to data and ML assets in their business catalog within SageMaker Studio, which makes it easy for them to consume these assets for tasks such as data preparation, model training, and feature engineering in SageMaker Studio and SageMaker Canvas. When the ML tasks are complete, data scientists and ML engineers can publish data, models, and feature groups to the business catalog for governance and discoverability. This integration is supported in AWS regions where SageMaker and Amazon DataZone are available, including us. Amazon Connect has just launched some awesome features for flows and flow modules. You can now search for them using their names, descriptions, types, stats, and tags. This makes it super easy to find the specific flow you're looking for when managing your Amazon Connect instances. You can search by name, description, type, status, or tags, which means you can filter down to exactly what you need. For instance, you could search for all flows tagged with Department Help Desk and get a list of only those ones. It's like having a superpower in your Amazon Connect management toolkit. AWS Resilience Hub just got a whole lot smarter. It's now capable of detecting changes to application resilience drift, which means you can catch any issues before they cause problems. This new feature is all about keeping an eye out for changes in your application's resources. You know, like if someone adds or removes a resource without telling anyone else. Yeah, that kind of thing. It's super important to stay on top of these kinds of changes so you can keep your application running smoothly. The best part is that AWS Resilience Hub doesn't just stop at detecting the issue, it also gives you some ideas on how to fix the problem and get your application back in working order. It's like having a super smart psychic who helps you stay one step ahead of any issues that might come up. And don't worry, all of these new features are available in every AWS region where AWS Resilience Hub is supported. So, no matter where you're located, you can rest assured that your application is being monitored and protected. To learn more about this amazing new feature, just head on over to the AWS Resilience Hub product page. And if you want to get started right away, just sign into your AWS console and start exploring. Amazon eKinf instances, optimized for generative AI, are now available in new regions. These instances offer high performance at an affordable cost, making them perfect for running popular applications such as text summarization, code generation, video and image generation, speech recognition, personalization, and more. These instances deliver up to 2.3 petaflops of processing power and up to 384 GB of total accelerator memory with a whopping 9.8 second bandwidth. With AWS Neuron SDK integrating natively with popular machine learning frameworks, you can continue using your existing tools to deploy on INF. Developers can get started with INF instances using AWS Deep Learning AMIS, AWS Deep Learning Containers, or managed services such as Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, and Amazon SageMaker. And the best part. INF instances are available in 4 sizes, INF Large, INF Large, INF Large, and INF Large, all of which can be launched on demand, reserved, or as spot instances, or as part of a savings plan. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Amazon eKinf instances, optimized for generative AI, and start building your next big project today. Get ready to be amazed. Amazon Polly has just launched its new generative engine with 3 fantastic English voices, Ruth, Matthew, and Amy. These synthetic voices are so lifelike, you'll feel like you're talking to a real person. The new generative engine is a game changer in the world of text-to-speech technology. It's been trained on a vast array of languages, styles, and voices, allowing it to render context-dependent prosody, pausing, spelling, dialectal properties, foreign word pronunciation, and more with incredible precision. Ruth, Matthew, and Amy are not just any ordinary voices, they're emotionally engaged, assertive, and highly colloquial. They're so natural sounding that you'll forget you're listening to a machine. And the best part, they're perfect for low latency online conversational use cases, making them ideal for developing applications like customer assistants, virtual trainers, or advertisers with near-human synthetic speech. These 3 new voices are now available in the US East region and join Amazon Polly's existing English voices. To learn more about this exciting innovation, be sure to check out the Amazon Polly documentation and pricing page. Amazon Connect has just launched granular access controls for flows and flow modules using resource tags. This means you can now define who can access specific flows and flow modules from the Connect admin website. You can tag your flows with department support, for instance, restricting access to only administrators from your support line of business. This feature is supported in all AWS regions where Amazon Connect is offered, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. To learn more about Connect flows and tag-based access controls, check out the Amazon Connect Administrator Guide and Amazon Connect API reference. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.